Hey guys, Eric Roberts from Worship the King. We're breaking down the bridge section. There is a really cool drop down and the electric guitar goes like this. Right before they start singing. So I'm doing this on the acoustic. You could do it on the electric, but most of the videos this week I'm doing on acoustic, and I'll throw some electric ones in at the very end of the week. But when I get my electric rig hooked back up, and this goes like this. At the very drop down before it goes, I needed rescue, it goes, I needed rescue, my sin was heavy, chains break at the weight. All right, so I'm just focusing on the syncopated rhythm pattern. And if you don't know, you can go in the description of this video, go right over to my website and download this free chart where I have all of my little notes and I'm adding to it each week, each day as I'm making these videos. But this is a syncopated pattern that we're going to be doing in this video right here. It's the one, it's kind of hard to see, so just download the chart. I'm going to show you how to do it without even reading notes or reading music at all. You're going to be able to do it just by saying this. So we're going to chant the rhythm, and if you can say it, you can play it. I teach this in all of my courses, that if you can say it, you can play it. If you can't say it, you're not going to be able to play it, especially this rhythm, because there's a syncopated accent and there's some 16th notes. It sounds like this. And it talks like this. T ticka ticka T ticka ticka T ticka T ticka ticka T ticka ticka T ticka T ticka ticka T ticka ticka T ticka T ticka ticka T ticka ticka T. The accent's on 1, the and of 2, and 4. So it's like, I don't want to make it any more complicated than it is. So if you can say this, T ticka ticka T ticka ticka T ticka T ticka ticka T ticka ticka T ticka T ticka. If you can say that, just say it, because it really goes 1 and to 2 E and 3 E and to 4 and to 1 and 1 and to 2 E and 3 E and to 4 and to 1 and to 2 E and. So it's kind of harder to say that, but if you want to think in numbers, it's 1 and to 2 E and 3 E and to 4 and to 1 and to 2 E and 3 E and to 4 and to 1 and to 2 E and, okay? But it's better and easier to say T ticka ticka T ticka ticka T ticka T ticka ticka T ticka ticka T ticka T ticka ticka T ticka ticka T ticka T ticka ticka T ticka ticka T ticka, and you can kind of do that with your hand. Feel the 8th note pulse. T ticka ticka T ticka ticka T ticka T ticka ticka T ticka ticka T. Okay, and then it goes like this. I'll give you the down ups right here. It goes, basically any of the ticka tickas are down up. So the T's are down. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Now I'm just saying this in this video, but it really makes not a lot of difference for you to, your probably brain is just exploding every time I'm changing like down, down, up, T, ticka, ticka, 1, and just get the rhythm. I'm showing you all of that sort of to be specific, so if one of those helped you, that's good. But really all you need to know is T ticka ticka T ticka ticka T ticka, and your rhythm ticka 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 ticka, and your strumming is like this. Ticka 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 ticka, and then you go T ticka ticka T ticka ticka T ticka T ticka ticka T ticka ticka T ticka T ticka. Down, 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 down. Now, my hand, as you've noticed, doesn't stop moving. I'm going like this the whole time. You know, I'm just putting my pick on the strings, on the right strings. If you're going like this, then that's wrong. So you want to sort of start like this, like a train. Then you can do the accents. So we'll try this. If you can do this with me. And then you go accent, that's that's sort of the feeling of this. So here's how I do this, and check out the other video because I show you the whole thing that I'm doing, and make sure you download this chart. It will help you immensely to be able to see it while I'm playing it. Okay, so here's how we do it. The whole band is playing, they're going, and it drops. I needed rescue, my sin was heavy, chains break at the way of your glory. I needed shelter, my sin was orphan, now you call me a citizen of heaven. When I was broken, you were my healing, now your love is the air that I'm breathing. I have a future, my eyes are open, 'cause when you call my name, I ran out of that grave. Okay, so I showed you how to break that all down in my other videos, so go to worshiptheking.com, go to YouTube sessions, or just look in my YouTube videos, the breakdown of how I do that. It's all on this chart, it's all in the links in the videos below. Join me if you want to do more, if you want to learn more, if you're kind of thinking, yeah, I like this YouTube stuff, but I want more step-by-step lessons. Take one of my courses by joining me at worshiptheking.com. God bless you guys. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click on the bell for the video.